Iba kasi yung feng shui and astrology. No? So
Okay,
feng shui
yes, go ahead.
is the energy of the earth. Yung,
Okay.
to answer also your question kanina, astrology is the energy of the heavens.
Oh, okay.
So pareho siyang charting, pareho siyang mapping, no? Okay. So yung energy of the earth, no, which is called flying star system, no. Let's say in any enclosed space with 4 walls, no, isasubdivide mo siya into 9
Energy of the earth.
9 boxes, no,
Okay.
or 9 sectors, no. Tapos kukuhanin mo yung compass direction reading. Pag nakuha mo naman na yung isa, let's say north is always there, no, parang gano'n.
Yes.
I-plot mo lang, no, north, northeast, east. So makakabuo ka ng 9 boxes. Okay. So ang unluckiest is the south this year. No? Okay. So pag sinabing unlucky, eto hindi natin kontrolado 'yan, ano? In contrast to our astrology, pwede kang mag-aral, pwede kang let's say magsipag, etc. No? Yung energy of the earth, it's fixed there, no? So the best is iiwasan mo yung south sector.
So what will be your advice para sa amin doon sa Talipapa para gumanda yung negosyo ng mga farmers at mga merchants?
Okay, number 1, meron ba kayong office?
Yes.
Okay, so doon sa office na yon, doon ipaplat mo yung 9 boxes, no? Hahanapin mo kung nasaan yung unlucky. Yung unlucky is the south, no? The south.
Okay.
So, wag ka doon uupo, whoever is in charge. Whoever is in charge. Okay? So,
Okay.
okay? Tapos doon, saan ka pupunta?
Kinakabahan ako.
Saan ka pupunta? Ang gagamitin mo ngayon, yung luckiest. So, the luckiest is the southeast sector.
Southeast sector.
So, southeast means growth.